Hi, today I am going to show you a simple tool, custom tool I created to convert AutoCAD files to AGV path, or we can say generating AGV path using AutoCAD file. So recently, I was working on a project where it's a AGV project, and I need to build a big AGV network, which is complex. It was taking too much time, and I estimated that project would be taking 5 to 6 days for building that AG network itself. So it was big and complex, and it has so many curves and bends and all. There's so many joinings. So I was thinking, why don't I create some customized tool so that it can automate this process instead of creating the AG network manually. So you can see here in the simulation what I'm showing, it is India map, and it's not just an India map, it is actually a AGV network. You can see that AGV is traveling. It is traveling. You can see AGV is traveling from one control point to other control point. Actually, I created a control point here, one and one more here. And you can see this India map is made up of so many AGV network, right? See, so it, yeah, the map is it's not a straight lines. It's a combination of so many lines, curves, straight lines, and all. So even it's working. It's once you build it, it will be automatically connected to each other, everything, and you can see how he will be moving. Else I slow down. Yeah, you can see. Okay, um, let's go to the tool. So the automation tool. So for a moment, yeah, I'll move this to this side, and okay, you can see AGV is also connected. So let's go to the tool. So this is my tool, generate AGV path from AutoCAD file. So you can see there is no any plane, there is only one plane which is in the network, in the tree nodes. And come here, let's, okay, let's test this tool. So here in this tool, we have to select the AutoCAD file. So for example, I'm going to select one CAD. This is a CAD file, CAD drawing actually. That is also a complex one. So you can select what kind of entities from the CAD file you want to uh, explore. I mean, find and list. So I'm setting all. So it may have all of these, and you can see I will click Analyze tool. So you can see this list. See, the list is showing analyze completed, found 850 581 geometries, and summary. In summary you can see no lines, no arcs, no circles, only spline 581. And here you can see start line of x and y and type of spline. If it is a circle, uh, if it is something like if it has circles and curves, arcs, it will generate other data. So for that example, I'll show other file. I'll select maybe India map. Okay, we'll take India map. So analyze. See, here it is showing curve arcs. It has many arcs. So arc has start x, start y, end x and y, and center axis x and y, and radius, start angle and sweep angle, and length also. So this data will be pushed to FlexSim, and it will be generated. The AGV path will be generated. So this is CAD file has 8 lines and 680 arcs. So same way, you don't have any splines, and I'll try to check other like, okay, this one. You see, this one has both combination lines and arcs. So if it is line, it won't show give any center and straight lines, start angle with sweep angle. Only arc and circle will get. So right now I will be doing one example with a cat drawing. Sorry, this is one drawing, one example drawing, and do the analysis. Analyze cat. So we got this data, full data. Now let's see how this will build AGV network. So, and after analyzing data, just you have to click generate AGV path, and you have to wait. Yeah, you can see it's generated, but it is still under process. You can see the button is not released yet. Because I don't click anywhere until this will be clear because it is happening in the back end. It takes a lot of time. I mean, it depends on how much data. Okay, fine. Now it is ready. So we'll go zoom and see. Yeah, you can see this cat AGV network. Good, looking good. Let's delete this. Okay, let's retry building a cat drawing from AGV. Okay, click here, set cat drawing, CAD, and this CAD. So let's come to here and model. You will see live how it will generate. Okay, you see it's generated. Looking good. Wait. Okay, now you can see this is a cat drawing. Let's move this. It's connected. Other connected. We can also test this. We can also test this. Let's add on process flow. I have created some this thing. So it's okay. Let's add an AGV and test. Yes, so AGV is very small. Increase the size. You can add a control point because it has no any control points. Quickly add one and one more. I'll add here. Okay, and now let's connect this to control points that travel AGV, and here we'll select this as a task executor and this control point, and again this one and this control point is this. Okay, so this will be a loop. I will test delete just for this. So it's the time to test. So it's moving very slow. I'll fast forward. Yeah, you can see now the AGV path is tested, and we'll test one more time by looping it around. So that means this full AGV is connected as a loop. So that's it, guys. You can see. Thank you.